The furnace doesn't work. I suspected it was this, and it is that. So I'll take it off, oil it up. Clips here. That spring holds it tight like this. Now it should just pull right off, and it's off. If you can see there, it's bent in. So you just kind of unbend it, and then you can slip this right off. After bending those things out, it just slips right off. Soak that with oil. This one I don't want to pull through here because it might wreck the sleeve bearing that's in there. Now to bend these tabs back in. Change the filter too while I'm at it. Put it back together. I took a picture so the wires were this way. These were on here. There's a little notch. Match it up on the fan. I got the exotics back on. Put this cover back on. And then all those clips. Now to put this little cap on here. Now to put it in. Yeah, heat. I'm sure to hear about this stuff laying around the furnace in the comments.